A woman has filed for a protective order against Kansas City Chiefs wide receiver Xavier Worthy following a domestic dispute that resulted in Worthy's arrest earlier this month. The woman was granted a temporary ex parte protective order against Worthy in a Williamson County District Court on Wednesday, according to court records obtained by the Austin American-Statesman. A temporary ex parte protective order can last up to 20 days, Williamson County states. Today, the woman filed an application for a protective order against Xavier Worthy, based on his violent actions against her culminating on the night of March 7, 2025, the woman's lawyer said Wednesday in a statement to the Statesman. Based upon the truthful information provided, a judge has granted a temporary protective order on her behalf. She is fully cooperating with law enforcement as they continue to actively investigate the violence that occurred that night. The order was granted nearly a week after Worthy was arrested and charged with assault against a family or household member by impeding their breathing or circulation in Williamson County, Texas. Williamson County District Attorney Sean Dick declined to press charges at the time after speaking with multiple witnesses, although his office reserves the right to file charges at a later time, if warranted. Xavier Worthy, Chiefs rookie arrested on assault charge. Authorities declined to press charges. We will continue to evaluate the case, Dick's office said at the time. As is our practice with all declines, should you develop additional information indicative of probable cause in this case, our office will consider that information and may present the case at that time to a Williamson County grand jury. It is not immediately clear if the temporary ex parte protective order against Worthy will lead to any criminal charges. Dick declined to comment on the matter, instead telling the Statesman on Wednesday, "Our office will continue to work through with the sheriff's office on the follow-up of their continued investigation." Worthy's lawyers called the allegations against their client baseless. His lawyers said Worthy was involved in a dispute with a woman who refused to leave his home and accused her of scratching his face and property damage. Worthy, via his lawyers, maintained his innocence on Wednesday. "We are aware of the civil court, not criminal court, filing by the alleged victim and her criminal defense team. Mr. Worthy denies each of the allegations," his lawyers told the Statesman on Wednesday. "Unfortunately, false allegations continue to be made, this time in civil court. Today, the accuser returned items stolen from Mr. Worthy's residence while he was in jail, and there are items still missing from when he was incarcerated. Mr. Worthy maintains his innocence and stands by the conclusions of the district attorney after law enforcement's review of the woman's unfounded allegations."